Welcome to Curious Minds. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of chemical engineering. Chemical engineering is a blend of chemistry, physics, and engineering principles. Its importance lies in transforming raw materials into valuable products, shaping industries. From pharmaceuticals to energy and environmental solutions, chemical engineering is everywhere. Let's explore fundamental concepts like thermodynamics, essential for understanding energy. Imagine thermodynamics as recipes, where specific conditions yield the best results. Next up is reaction engineering, which is all about how substances react together. Think of it as mixing ingredients. The right combination creates something new. Mass transfer is another crucial concept, helping us understand how materials move. Visualize mass transfer like baking bread. The heat spreads evenly to make it rise. Now let's see where these concepts play out in real-world applications. In the energy sector, chemical engineers create sustainable fuels from renewable sources. They also design effective water purification systems, ensuring clean drinking water. Food processing relies on chemical engineers to develop safe and delicious products. Imagine the role of chemical engineers in developing food preservation techniques. When considering a career in chemical engineering, many paths await you. Roles range from process engineers to R&D scientists and production managers. Industries actively hiring include pharmaceuticals, energy, and environmental sectors. Potential salaries vary widely, often reflecting the diverse opportunities in this field. Chemical engineers enjoy flexibility across various industries, an exciting prospect. What does a day in the life of a chemical engineer look like? Daily tasks involve designing processes and optimizing production for efficiency. They ensure safety standards are met in every stage of production. Through their work, they drive innovation, improving products and processes daily. But what about the pros and cons of choosing this career path? On the plus side, job diversity, high earning potential, and room for innovation. However, be prepared for demanding work environments and complex problem solving. Long hours can be common, but the rewards often make it worthwhile. Current challenges in chemical engineering focus on sustainability and environmental impact. How can we manage resources effectively? Is a pressing question today. Green chemistry is one emerging trend aimed at reducing harmful substances in processes. Nanotechnology offers new possibilities for material science and engineering solutions. AI integration is revolutionizing chemical processes, making them smarter and more efficient. As students, you have the chance to contribute to these exciting developments. Thank you for exploring chemical engineering with us today. We hope you found this information clear and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.